Hi friend, this is Amit and here I will provide you complete information regarding average 8 IIT
सेम इन्फॉर्मेशन हिंदी में जानने के लिए मेरे हिंदी चैनल एडमिशन एकेडमी पे आप जा सकते हैं।
save a score, that is get the IIT at 49 marks, that is SC ST student can get at low marks also. That's why I've written this. So the important thing is that here I will consider male female both type of save a score, that is both a type of a student have separate reservation and general EWS OBC SC ST. For every category I will discuss male female complete information. I've already provided the lower 8 IIT save a score, top 7 IIT save a score, and now I'm going to provide you average 8 IIT means minimum marks to just get into those IIT college with any type of personal branch. You just need to get a tag of IIT means any type of lower branch. Soon I will try to provide you with CSC branch, electrical branch, mechanical branch, civil branch as well, but here I am going to provide you with the lower branch available. So here is IIT Indore, that was established in 2009. General 124 111 mark, that is male and female. For OBC 118 and 108 marks, EWS 117 106 marks, and here I am whatever marks I am providing you, that is after considering the current year trend and based on the last 5-6 years of cutoff, as I am guiding the student from last 5-6 years. So if you want, you can register with my guidance as well. Sideways you can check the detail. In the next section you will be able to check the detail of my guidance. So here I would like to inform you about my complete guidance and mentorship regarding all type of entrance exam. Through this you will choose the best college and best branch, as I am guiding the student from last 6 years. Yes, over 10,000 students already have guided. Whenever you want and whatever counseling you are doing, I will guide you for everything, that is JOSA, CSAB, JAG Delhi, JAG Chandigarh, Manipal, VIT, VITSAT, COMEDK, EEEE, or any other state level counseling. I will be guiding you for all the counseling as I'm doing it from last 6 years. Sideways you can check the detail as well. And once you register, you will get one-to-one personal call option all the time, and message you can do whenever you want, whenever you will have the doubt. Here I will provide you the personalized choice filling order for you, because every student have different type of rank, different type of vision, different type of interest, different type of family background, so there can't be a general choice filling for all the students. So I will provide you the personalized choice filling order. So on the screen you can check the detail, in the description also. Once you contact, if you find my guidance helpful, you can register for that by doing the nominal payment regarding that and by sending your detail. If you get the detail, so once you register, you can get the guidance of JEE Mains, JEE Advanced, both ASCO, that is through JOSA counseling you will get the seat, and CSAB counseling also I will cover, MSTT, JAG Delhi, JAG Chandigarh, UPTU, and all private counseling as well, that is BITSAT, Manipal, COMEDK, VIT, AEEE, SRM, everything. So whenever you want, you can contact me. So SC 68 64, ST 66 62 marks is required for IIT Indore. Now if you talk about for IIT Jodhpur, that was established in 2008. General 114 102, OBC 108 98, EWS 107 97, SC 66 61, ST 63 and 58 marks is required. Now if you talk about for IIT Patna, General 118 110, OBC 111 100 and EWS 109 98, SC 69 65, ST 60 and 55 marks is required for IIT Patna lower branch. And now if we talk about IIT Hyderabad, General 124 113, OBC 114 107, EWS 113 105, SC 72 66, ST 65 60. You may think that why the top college, that is top 7 IIT, I am getting at low marks, because top 7 IIT have lots of branches that are very less demandable, like material science, mining engineering, those branch and dual degree courses. But in this average IIT or lower IIT have very less number of branches. So in that case, lower means mechanical civil, in top case lower means mining or material science engineering. So this is the difference, that's why you are getting the top also at low marks. That doesn't mean you are going to get the same branch. So hope you get my point. SC 72 66, ST 65 60 marks is required. For Gandhinagar, that was established in 2008, and Hyderabad was also established in 2008. So here is the information for Gandhinagar. General 118 110, OBC 112 106, EWS 110 104, SC 68 63, ST 64 58. Now if you talk about for IIT Ropar, it was also established in 2008. General 190 109 marks, and OBC 109 and 102 marks is required. For EWS 108 and 101 marks is required. For SC 71, ST 62, that is for male. After select you can check for female student as well. Now if you talk about for IIT Bhubaneswar, again it was established in 2008. General 112, OBC 103, EWS 100, SC 59, ST 56. After slash you can check for female as well. Now if you talk about for IIT Varanasi, there is the information: General 194, OBC 98 92, EWS 96 92, SC 55 50, ST 53 and 49. So this was the complete information regarding average 8 IIT. Save a score, minimum a score to get into those IIT. That is just you need to get a tag that is minimum score category wise I have discussed for male and female. So hope you find this information very useful for you. So please try to subscribe the channel so that you will not miss any update regarding any counseling across India. Thank you.